Hi guys, Dave's here. Today we're in the bathroom and we're going to replace the faucet here with a new one. And what I like to use is get you a towel, lay in the bottom, get you a pan to catch water if anything drips, and you need an adjustable wrench. First thing we need to do is turn off the water. So turn them clockwise as far as they'll go. Turn your faucets on so that way there's no water pressure. Take your adjustable wrench and disconnect the supply lines. Do the bottom ones and top ones. See, this is why I've got the pan down here to catch that extra water plus the towel. While you got your lines off, inspect them. If they look like they're bad, you need to replace them. You want to unscrew the top here. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now loosen up the little bolt here that's got the plunger rod, so you can move it up and down. Now we can go topside. You can pull the faucet out now. And let's clean this area before we install the new one. Okay, once it's cleaned here, now we're ready to install the new one. Be sure the gasket's on the new one here. Just slip it in place. Now we're going to crawl back underneath and put the locking nuts on. Okay, you just want to hand tighten those. Now once those are tightened, we can put our hoses back on. Be sure when you start screwing it on that it's screwing on easy. You don't want to cross thread it. Then tighten them back up with your adjustable wrench. Tighten all four of them, top and bottom. Fasten a little stopper rod back. Now we can turn the water back on. Check for leaks. Let's go to top side. Okay guys, now we're ready to turn the water on. Be sure to check for leaks down there again. And then you're done. One thing here, this was the old one. If these nuts are a little hard taken loose, spray some WD-40 or some kind of penetrating oil on these threads right here. Let it set for a few minutes, and then it should make it a little bit easier to take off. I hope this helps somebody that's replacing a faucet in their bathroom and everything. And as always guys, thanks for watching.